welcome everybody. We are at, where are we? West Plains, Missouri. What's our group here? What's the art group? Is there an art group name? No?
West Plains Council.
The no name painters?
Yep.
West Plains Art Council?
Sponsored the event.
Sponsored the event.
The Harlan Museum.
But we are painting watercolors today. Got a good group of painters here. We are in the Harlan Museum, is that correct? Boy, I'm batting 1,000, aren't I? And so we're having a good time, and I want to show you everybody the last painting we've done. I think this is just really phenomenal, the work that all the painters have done today. So we moved to do a nocturne, and I am just blown away by the quality of work that each one of these painters has done. Everyone's taken a slightly different twist on the same scene, but they look incredibly good. And I don't know, you might be able to pick out individual artists by the style of their painting. Some of them have told me that this is the first time they have painted a nocturne. And so I think they did incredibly well. So good group of painters down here in West Plains, and it's absolutely gorgeous down here too. I drove in last night and got to walk around this morning and drive around, and really a lot of great fall colors, great architecture, and going to be leaving here in just a little bit. We're about to wrap it up for the day, and I'll go out and get some more photos. So tomorrow I'll show you some more work. So we'll see you later. Bye-bye.